What's up, guys? It's your boy Evan Whitman here, and today my friend Brian and I are building a fence with my excavator. Let me show you the monstrosity of this. Got the good old 8-inch auger bit on, and we've been slaving away all day. Dug that hole for nothing. That's 3 feet deep for 6 by 6 by 8, which we're not going to even use because we're going to connect to the busted old rod and wood. Hey, Brian. It's for you, buddy. It's about as straight as me, guys. Take that as you will. Somehow I got a machine in through here. Yep, it's been my life the last week or so, but today we start putting the page wire on and hopefully actually get this done because it's time to get paid. This has been a chore. Anyways, that is all I'm showing right now.